Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I am giving the solution from exercise 12.2 page number 14 of question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so at first you see the question number 3. In question number 3 what has given you see? Sonia wants to put a latch around a rectangular tablecloth of length 8.5 meter and breadth of 1.15 meter. Find the length of the latch required for the tablecloth. Okay, so in this question what has given you see? Length of the latch of a rectangular tablecloth that has given 8.5 meter and breadth is given 1.15 meter. Now we will have to find the length of the latch of the rectangular tablecloth. So its solution like this we can give. You see length is equal to 8.5 meter and breadth is equal to what? 1.15 meter of the latch of the rectangular tablecloth. Now what you can write, you see, we know that perimeter of the latch of the rectangular tablecloth is equal to 2 into length plus breadth bracket, after you should write unit. Now 2 into length is equal to 8.5 plus breadth is equal to 1.15 bracket, after meter have to write. Now 2 into that 8.5 plus 1.15 means what? 9.65 meter. These two number have to plus. Okay. Now this 2 and 9.65 meter have to multiply, then 19.30 meter become. That we can write 19.3 also. Okay. So 19.3 meter. So what we can write in here, you see. So the length of the latch of the rectangular table. In here you will have to write rectangular tablecloth is what? 19.3 meter. Again I am telling to you. So the length of the latch of the rectangular tablecloth is equal to 19.3 meter. Okay. Now question number 4, you see in here what has given? Find the perimeter of a rectangular pitch of the tile whose length is 16 centimeter and breadth is given what? 4 centimeter. Okay, so in this question what has given? The length of the tile is given what? 16 centimeter and breadth is given what? 4 centimeter. So in solution we will have to write like this. Length, that means L is equal to what? 16 centimeter. Breadth is equal to what? 4 centimeter of the rectangular tile. And in here P means what? Perimeter. So P is equal to what? That we will have to find. We know that perimeter of rectangular tile is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Bracket, after unit have to write. Now 2 into length is equal to 16 plus breadth is equal to what? 4. Now within bracket, after centimeter unit have to write. Now 16 plus 4 is equal to what? 20. Okay. Now 2 into 20 is equal to what? 40 centimeter. So what we can write? Perimeter of the rectangular tile is equal to 40 centimeter. This is the answer. Next, question number 5, you see in here what has given? Sumit's father took 4 rounds of a rectangular ground of length 42 meter and breadth 20 meter. Find the total distance covered by him in taking 4 rounds. Okay. So in the first round actually Sumit's father covered the distance equal to the perimeter of the ground. So in here this ground is what? Rectangular ground. So this rectangular ground, its length given what? 42 meter and breadth given 20 meter. So first we will have to find the perimeter of the rectangular ground. So its solution like this we can give. You see. Given length L is equal to what? 42 meter, breadth is equal to B is equal to what? 20 meter of the rectangular ground. Now P is equal to what? P means perimeter. We know that perimeter of rectangular ground is equal to 2 into length plus breadth unit. Now 2 into length is equal to 42 and breadth is equal to 20 meter. Now 42 plus 20 is equal to 62 meter. Now 2 into 62 is equal to 124 meter. Okay. Now Sumit's father covered the distance in first round is equal to 124 meter. So Sumit's father covered the distance in fourth round is equal to, now 4 have to multiply with 124 meter, then what will become 496 meter. Okay, this is the total distance covered by Sumit's father. Okay, next question number 6, you see it is so much easy question. In here what is given, find the perimeter of square table of side 15 centimeter. Okay, so in this question what is given, side of the square table is given 15 centimeter. Okay, so in solution we have to write side of square table is equal to 15 centimeter. Now perimeter is equal to what? We know that perimeter of square table is equal to 4 into side unit. Okay, so 4 into 15 centimeter. Now 4 is 15 is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of the square table will be 60 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 7. Find the length of the fencing required to fence a square field of side 250 meter. Okay, so in here you see one square field is there whose length is given, whose side is given what, 250 meter. Now we will have to find the length of the fence of the square field. Okay, so in solution what we will have to write, given side of the square field is equal to 250 meter. Now have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? We know that perimeter of the fence of the square field is equal to 4 into side unit. Okay, now 4 into side is equal to 250 meter. Now 4 into 250 meter means 1000 meter. So what you can write? So the length of the fence of the square field is equal to 1000 meter. This is the answer. Okay, so my dear students, today up to this much. Take care. Bye bye.